how to remove my Facebook account from other devices. In this video, I'll show you how to remove my Facebook account from other devices. So to get started, go ahead and open Facebook into your preferred device. So I have accessed my personal account on my browser. So from here, go ahead and head over into your Facebook account first. Make sure to sign into your account. And then from here, click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen, and then click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. So once you're on your settings, go ahead and wait for this to load first. So this might take a while depending on the strength of your internet connection. And then from here, go ahead and click on Account Center at the left side of your screen, and that will take you to the account center settings. And here, go ahead and click on password and security. So you'll find it under account settings. And then from here, go ahead and click on where you're logged in. And then you'll be able to find the accounts connected to your Facebook account. So simply select your Facebook account, and then to be able to log out of this application, so go ahead and click on select devices to log out, and then select all of the devices where you want to log out. For example, I want to log out from all of these devices. I'll simply click on select all and click on log out and confirm. So once you're done with this, your Facebook account would be removed from all of the devices listed in here.